Oops, masyado siyang mataas na. Good morning, guys. So today, good morning. So, good morning. Today is the 26th of January of Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since my last video, but today is a very special day because today is the 26th of July, and it's John's birthday today. We're going to have a simple breakfast with some of his special friend. Ito yung setup niya. Ayan. That's the setup for this morning's traditional breakfast for John's birthday. We have this champagne box fizz with the orange and this gorgeous flower. I think this is from Stephen and Peter. Yan. So yan ang setup today's morning breakfast. It's a traditional breakfast. Good morning.
And music ready for breakfast?
Yes.
As you do.
And because he's the only one making the breakfast today, Shane, you're making the breakfast for your birthday. But that's a traditional breakfast. It's eggs benedict. So yeah, and then today we are going to do we're going to do an unboxing for all his presents because Saturday we've had a very nice event. It's like a birthday celebrations with all the friends. So yeah, pakita ko sa inyo. Hello, boy. That's our little Cujo. Hello, Cujo. Hello. Hello. No. Come on. You're not supposed to be here. Come on. But yeah, ayan yung mga presents ni John. That's all the presents we've got from all his friends who came all the way from different places here in England and the UK from yesterday's event. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung clip later on. Tapos ibang mga pictures, i-insert ko dito para makita niyo yung event. Again, that was actually successful. So yeah, see you guys later. We're just waiting for Lisa and James for our breakfast. See you later. Bye-bye. So guys, this is it's going to be a breakfast. Actually, it's already 10:30 in the morning. Pero kasi this is really a traditional. Ouch! Tingnan mo ginagawa ni Cujo. Ow! What are you doing, boy? What are you doing? So, we're making some eggs benedict. John is making some eggs benedict with some salmon. Then the poached egg with some oven Boston muffin. Ito. And baka mag-copyright ako ng music, but later on. Pakita ko sa inyo din yung mga flowers na na-receive ni John. Well, yeah, ito. Yan yung mga flower na na-receive. All beautiful flowers. Tapos, meron pa dito. Ayan. Ganda ng mga bulaklak kagabi. Yung Saturday. Yan. Dito naganap yung party nung Saturday. Kahapon. No, Saturday. Today is Monday, by the way. So, ayan, meron pa nga, meron pa siyang, dito pa yung ano niya. yung set, yung parang sticker. This is made by Joey, the little Joey. Ano ba yun? Events. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ito. Little Joey Contemporary Events in Style. He helped me arrange all the decorations. I'll show you the decorations from Saturday. It was really beautiful. It seems that, you know, people have enjoyed the, you know, the event. And look at the boy. Boy, what are you doing, boy? What are you having? What are you doing? Hey, oh, I can see you. Today is really John's birthday. 26. Okay. Okay. Ayun, may croissants din pala. Kita ko sa inyo, ayun. We got the frozen one. Yeah. So, ayun lang. See you later, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. Actually, this is about unboxing. Hello, here you go. Good morning. Here's Lisa.
Hello. Good morning. All right, well.
Good morning. That's James.
Hi.
Yes.
Is that live?
No, it's not. That's how I'm recording it. Yeah. So see you later, guys. Bye bye. So here's the eggs Benedict. Yeah. Come on.
Did she message you back?
That's all ready. So that's the eggs Benedict, freshly made by the birthday boy for our traditional breakfast. There you go. Hello, guys.
Hello.
I know. I was gonna say happy birthday. Happy birthday!
Are we right sit here?
Yeah. Only because it's the special day.
What's our feeling today?
Love. Yeah, I just have to censor it. Just gonna.
I'm gonna say you were nowhere near it though.
Because I was looking at the camera. He's not allowed here. Hello, boy. You're not allowed. Okay, no. Stay here. Come here. I'll give you a treat. Good boy. What's this? What's this? Good boy. I'm gonna give you a treat. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh, what's this? Good boy. Good boy. Okay. See you later, my lovey. See you later. Ayan. Mamaya na lang. Okay, mamaya na lang, guys.
Does it get aggressive?
By the way.
Cheers, my love.
Very nice.
Cheers.
Oh, that's nice. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Got to look in the eyes when you do chin chin and like 7 years bad sex.
Chin chin.
Let's face it, you've had enough bad sex.
My eyes stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Filled with emotion,
the cheese.
No, I'm going to stick with this because it's absolutely well good.
She said, yeah, shaking her head off.
Hello there. Good morning. I'm fine now.
It's been all over the bloody North Lancs already this morning.
Get that down here.
I was so careful of knocking those back.
Well, when I snuck off, it was just after 6 this morning. And I thought, she'll be bitching in on the front. So I'll give it to you at the front door.
Look at bitch, I thought you meant the neighbour.
I didn't even ask
It didn't
him
go
to.
off, but it came up with a B on camera.
No turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect.
Hello.
Oh, I love you back.
Hello!
Morgan Nugan.
Come
I'm
in.
alright.
Do you want a cup of tea? Do you want a what's it?
I'm alright. Yeah, I love you. Oh, I love you back. Just saying it. No, it's not working. And I
It's
got
not
the
little
other
tiny
one.
box fizz, it won't kill you.
I
No,
like that.
little box fizz, it won't kill you.
Yeah.
We're having
I'll get you. I'll get
I'll
you.
have a teeny one. What? Oh, thank you.
sit next to me. I won't bite today.
Listen, you're alright. You're alright.
It's already had some drink.
Look at you, imagine it.
I see the gotcha. Get alive. I always sing when run it. What time is it? Can you not do that right on the dot, do you?
Done everything by now. Well, I won't expect you to do it now.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go?
Never won.
That wasn't very good.
It wasn't really professional. It was the first one over this.
See, now I'm 50.
I'm
Trying
done with it.
to get me out of that.
It's like that woman on 12 though.
Really well.
It's trying to move it in.
Yeah. No, it's not. It's just recording. I'm gonna edit all those, all unnecessary.
I found the
Right, come on, I suppose we ought to open some presents.
I think yes, the box.
down your
Yeah.
eyes when I'm not around.
Right. Come on now. Let's move to the lounge.
Fall into your lies all again.
No, they just check it out.
Most of it.
Apparently, because it round it.
Do you want me to get a fan?
Oh, it's alright.
There you go. Opening all the presents. Yeah, sit in there. Ooh.
Fall into your
Give me a goosebumps, Lisa. Wow.
That's ridiculous.
Careful with your hand.